Hello everyone, in this video I will share new makeup releases by Patmagreth Labs. Patmagreth Labs introducing Skin Fetish. A buildable, legendary spray to keep skin hydrated and makeup color true and locked in place for up to 16 hours. Unlock Pat McGrath's iconic glass skin glow. This setting spray redefines artistry with customizable finish, from radiant to glass-like. Aloe leaf and cucumber extracts hydrate and calm, while black tulip extract rejuvenates and soothes. The lightweight, breathable formula ensures a flawless, luminous look that lasts. Price is $38, available now on their website and Sephora website. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more makeup news. Thank you for watching. Bye.